Let's go.
Hip-hop in its most purest, most rawest form, flow almost flawless, most hardest, most honest, known artist. Chip off the old block, but old Doc is back. Looks like Batman brought his own Robin. Oh God, Saddam's got his own Laden. With his own private plane, his own pilot. Set the blow polish, dome doors off the hinges. Oranges, peach, pears, plums, oranges. Yeah, here I come, my inches. Away from you, there fear none. Hip-hop is in a state of 911, so let's get down to business. I don't got no time to play around. What is this? Must be a circus in town. We shut this down on these clowns, and I get a witness. Hell yeah. Let's get down to business. I don't got no time to play around. What is this? Must be a circus in town. We shut this down on these clowns, and I get a witness. Hell yeah. Wait, gotta move fast, gotta perform miracles. Gee Willikers, Dre, only bad syllables. Look at all the bullshit that goes on in Gotham when I'm going. Time to get rid of these rap criminals. So skip to your loo while I do what I do best. You ain't even impressed no more. You're used to it. Flow's too wet. Nobody close to it. Nobody says it, but still everybody knows this shit. The most hated on out of all those who say they get hated on in 80 songs and exaggerate it all so much they make it all up. There's no such thing like a female with good looks who cooks and cleans. It just means so much more. There's so much more people when you're rapping and you know what